We are back with Glen Velvet Reviews today, New Jersey. So that's kind of cool. So that's Route 46 in front of me. If you're heading to the George Washington Bridge, you might be taking Route 46 east, and you know, that might be you up there. Just to let you know, that's why it's noisy, is because I live by the highway. So I just got this delivered from USPS. I bought this off eBay. I got a really good deal because it was, you know, brand new, but in an open box, like an open box, I guess you could say. So so I got the SICCE whatever 4.0. So hopefully everything's in the box. Like I said, I got this off the eBay. It said brand new. It's just the box was kind of messed up. So let's do an unboxing together. Make sure everything's in here. It's taped up really crazy. So I got the 4.0 to start off with. I plan to have two pumps for redundancy. Let's see what's up here. So this is kind of what it looks like. The pump is really big compared to, I have the 1.0 or the 1.0 or the 1.5, and wow, it is way smaller than this. It's just funny seeing this. It's like the big brother. So it comes with these little black nipple looking things. It comes with some hardware, so I only care about one item anyway. I care about that and the feet. So it has 4 feet. It looks very simple. You can put it, I guess, all the way up here, or you can put it down here. So I'm probably gonna put mine at the bottom. I'm gonna put mine on the bottom though, because I'm gonna want my pump low, because I do not have a big, as you saw my setup, I don't have a big tank. So I'm not gonna put it make it so high. All right, perfect. So you probably should maybe cut this off. I don't even know, but I don't really care. Mine's gonna be perfect. I don't think it's gonna have a problem. So look, here's the flow adjustment right here. This is for if you're gonna put it on the front. Got it. Okay, so this must be the return. See, this comes off, and then you would screw it in here. Oh, whoops. Oh, so this is supposed to have a ceramic. Oh, it does. So it has a ceramic shaft, so it's supposed to last forever. There's the rest of the parts that I don't know the names of. They're in the description, though they're in the manual. But that's pretty cool. Okay, so there we go. So you're gonna use that if you're gonna use it like that. I'm not using it like that. And I guess the reason why they do that, the bigger size, is, you know, because this has so much surface area already. I was thinking it was 1 inch out of the top. But anyway, it's 3/4, and then I'm gonna cut this off, and it's gonna be 1 inch. So I'm gonna have a nice big 1 inch opening to get the max flow out of this. If you're gonna be using this for probably like 8 or 10 feet of you know, head pressure, I don't know if you're gonna be using the 1 inch. You might be using the 3/4, because, you know, when you, like a hose, you know, like a hose, when you know, squeeze the hose, it goes out farther, it gives you more pressure. So you might want to use this for, you know, more pressure, just to let you guys know. Here's the instruction manual, just in case you lose yours. You can come back, give that a pause. Oh, there we go. And you can just pause this, I mean. So I'm just gonna do it really quick. Yeah, I don't really see a parts breakdown in here. This is kind of the back of it. And then this is what the box looks like up close. You can compare all the other ones that they have. All right, so it is starting to drizzle. And I figured that because I saw it on Cruise News this morning that when the guy was in New York, he said it was raining. So I figured we were gonna have some rain. A very simple design. I love these pumps because I have had them running for years and years, and I never even cleaned them, and they work forever. That's what I'm looking for in a pump, to work forever in the return pump. I'm not looking for anything special, because you're gonna get wave makers. When I get the wave makers, then I'm gonna get DC, and then, you know, hope those don't break down so quickly, or whatever the case may be. But for some, you don't want broken down when you're on vacation 2 weeks away. You don't want anything to happen to it. If you have this broken down, then all your fish are gonna die. Where if your power heads break, you still have 2 of them. You know what I mean? Like, I think one will still be running, or even if they do break, you'll still at least have the light. This is like your heart of your fish tank, your saltwater reef or whatever. This is gonna be like the heart of your tank. So if this is not beating, everything's dead. So you wanna make sure it has the strongest heart. Me, I'm little, my heart ain't strong, it's completely garbage. So I have a lot of health issues. But for the fish tank, I want the opposite of my health. I want a good heart for my fish tank, all right? So we're gonna do a review, come back and see how good it is, do a volume check, you know, see how much comes out, all that other jibba jabba. We'll come back to that. I'm just waiting on more stuff from Bulk Reef Supply and whoever else, and I'm just waiting on that to get here, so that should be exciting. All right, so that's it for Glen Velvet reviews on the unboxing of 4.0. If you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. I would love to know. Also, subscribe to my channel. Join me on my review adventures as I try to put up stuff, help out the community, just like I get help from the community. All right, everybody enjoy. Be safe. I'm out. Bye-bye.